Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix you must restart your computer to turn off user account control. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click and expand system. Open enable LUA. Change value to 1. Close and exit registry. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.